Rural communities are in the countryside, have small populations, and oftentimes you will see barns and townhouses. Alvin, Texas is a very unique community setting. We have both rural parts of our community as well as suburban parts of our community. Alvin is also very close to Houston, Texas, which is a huge urban city. Rural communities have their own mayors and other government officials to make and enforce laws or rules for their community. Local governments also provide services, such as schools, for their towns. Some towns have their own schools, while others have to share. Many rural communities have the technology to connect to the internet quickly or use cell phones, but others do not. People in these communities use slower dial-up phone lines to be able to connect to the internet. Rural communities have local newspapers that share information. Some people in rural communities are farmers. Farmers grow crops like corn that people in larger towns and cities depend on. People in rural communities depend on other communities too. They travel to suburban or urban communities to buy the things that they need. In some places, people can travel by bus. In others, people need to drive their own cars.